Hi guys, let's try baskets. I never tried this basket before, and I'll show the people if they're making noise, guys. Also, so yeah, let's open them. So you guys, we are going to try. We are going to try one of this, and it's written cream here. Cream and the inside of they're nice and soft enough. Yeah, so nice. So, but that's all I come to try. This is a 10 out of 10. Like good, but they're but soft.